everybody. This is
Alright, so are you gonna...
yep, I'm gonna shoot you shooting at the targets with your 20 gauge. Oh, good shot. Let's see if it pops out. You guys see if it ejects the round.
Yep, that's it.
And that again is how old is this gun again? And it's a Browning, right? Is it Browning?
This is a Savage.
Oh, Savage arms?
Yeah, 24 gauge or 24 series.
24 series.
20 gauge, yeah.
20 gauge.
Yeah, it's a Savage. 22 over.
Under over.
Yep.
We're gonna see what kind of damage you did to that pumpkin. Oh, look at all that.
Yeah.
Wow, that hurt. Let's see what my 12 gauge can do. So our targets are, it's kind of a windy day out here today on the Broughton shooting range. This is Mark's backyard range, day at the range, number 9.
You want me to hold the thing for you, the camera?
Yeah, we'll see.
Alright.
Alright, she's already recording.
Alright.
I'm gonna get my earplugs in again.
Alright.
Oh, it's cold out here. Ooh.
It's a bit cold on the range today.
Yeah.
Got the pumpkin on the left. Let's see what I can do with it. So
Alright.
ready to go.
Alright. Fire in the hole. Ooh, good shot.
Yeah, I'll go for the water bottle on the right. Been a while since I shot, so, and I also greased the whole entire thing up so it's real smooth. I go for that water bottle.
Wow.
Oh, and I'm out.
Oh.
Get that one.
Oops. Ooh.
Let's go and see what we got over here. So I walk along.
All right.
The beard's getting stuck.
Yeah, that's...
Wow, look at the damage this thing did. That's the Canadian ammo with that. And
wow.
I think it was sitting like this, so it hit here and it went out the side. That's the difference between a 12 gauge and a 20.
Yeah.
I think I blew a big hole in the other pumpkin as well. Oh. Yeah, not too big. It rocked it a little bit.
Yeah.
That's a good hole right there.
Yeah. Cool. Kind of festive.
This thing's big.
Nothing left of it.
Yeah.
Your water bottle?
Yeah, the water bottle I had full of water. Just split it down the center.
Yeah.
A couple shots at those pumpkins, a little bit more.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's back off slowly.
Yeah.
So this is day at the range number 9, I believe, or 10.
Day at the range, at the farm here.
Yep, day at the farm.
All right.
Day at the range. Haven't been out in a long time to shoot, so it's good to get a little practice in. I greased up the fore end. I didn't take any of the trigger assembly apart or anything, but yeah, it's good to get out and practice and shoot.
It's getting cold.
Yeah, I think there's supposed to be snow coming soon.
Yeah.
But we're gonna take another shot at these pumpkins.
All right. All right.
Now we're all out.
Oh, man, you did make pumpkin pie out of that. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, let you take a couple shots and we can...
My hands are frozen, Mark.
Your hands are getting cold?
Yeah, cold, man.
Yeah, maybe. That was a lot of fun. I wish I could just set this somewhere.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Work.
All right. That's cool. Just back off.
Shoot this one.
All right.
You can finish this pumpkin off.
All right.
Trying to learn how to speed load too, and it's kind of hard to do. I see when you put it like this in your hand, you push it with your pinky. Oh no, with your forehand finger. It works. Get good because in case of a home defense situation, you want to be able to load that sucker quick.
Yeah.
If you'd like to take a shot at it,
No, you go ahead. My hands are too cold. Yeah, my hands are too cold, man.
All right, here we go.
All right, you're used to working in a freezer.
I put that safety on.
Ooh.
Oh,
Yeah.
that was good.
All right, we'll pause it here. Here we go.
All right, we're gonna take a last couple of shots at those targets down range, and call it a day, I guess.
All right, because yeah, the temperatures are really dropping.
Yeah, I agree.
Man.
You already played pot. I don't see anything else to shoot.
All right, I'm a oh.
Back. Here we go.
All right, one last shot for the day. Yeah. Oh wow!
Yeah.
Blew that one
All
up.
right, this has been real fun and out on the range, and thank you for joining me. Mark, day at the range number 9, and I'll see you on the next one. Catch you later. God bless y'all. That's all for now.
All right.